Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the problem. Power off, unplug, and ground yourself to prevent ESD damage. Use a multimeter and observe postcodes or beep patterns to confirm CPU-related faults. Remove the case and document visible damage like burned components or bulging capacitors. Once done, strip non-essential peripherals and test the power supply rail voltages so you know whether the CPU is receiving stable power. Make sure to photograph connections and label cables. This saves time during reassembly and prevents mistakes. You now dig into component-level checks. Remove the CPU and inspect both the chip and motherboard socket for bent pins, debris, or corrosion and clean them carefully. Bent pins will block contact and create faults. Next, swap in a known good CPU or motherboard when available to quickly identify which component failed. Test VRM stability and capacitor integrity because power delivery issues often mimic CPU failure. Once you find the fault, decide between repair, reflow, pin straightening, capacitor replacement, or full component replacement based on risk and cost. You perform the repair or replacement. Install the CPU with the proper orientation, apply a pea-sized thermal paste, and tighten retention hardware to spec to avoid stressing the die. Reconnect cooling and peripherals, then power up while watching post codes and temps. Update BIOS if microcode compatibility is the issue. If it fails, try a recovery BIOS procedure or test the component in another system to rule out board-level faults. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent after repair, recheck torque and power rails. Loose contacts cause 80% of.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.